Imagine you're waiting for your paycheck every month. The money hits your account and you feel relieved. But by the end of the month, you're broke again. You wonder, where did the money go? I didn't even buy anything major. But the truth is, your money isn't being stolen. It's being systematically robbed from you, and you don't even realize it. Folks, today I'm going to tell you about a financial scam that's happening right in front of you, but you can't see it. I call it the invisible wealth leak. Those silent killers that eat away at your savings without making any noise. I've been studying for the last 5 years how middle-class Americans waste their money without even realizing it. And what I've discovered is going to shock you. If you think you're smart, you follow a budget, you don't buy unnecessary things, but still your bank balance is always low, then this video is for you. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon because today we're going to expose those micro thieves stealing your hard-earned money. First, let's talk about the dark truth of convenience. You woke up late, you're rushing to get to work. You open DoorDash, order breakfast. An $8 bagel, but the bill comes to $16. You didn't even notice. Platform fee, $1. Delivery charge, $3. Surge pricing, $2. Service fee, $1.50, and a $2 tip that was automatically pre-selected. This was just one breakfast. If you do this 4 times a week, you just paid $32 extra just for convenience. That's $128 a month, $1,536 a year, just on breakfast. And this is just the beginning. When you add lunch, dinner, and midnight cravings, the average American using food delivery apps is paying $400 to $600 a month in convenience charges alone. This money could have gone directly into your savings account. Now, let's talk about the second invisible thief, the ATM roulette. You need $50. Your bank's ATM is a bit far. There's another bank's ATM right in front of you. You think, whatever, it'll cost $3 in transaction fees. But you don't think that this $3 will happen 5 times in a month. That's $15 a month, $180 a year. And then there's the minimum balance drama. You have $2,400 in your account, but the requirement is $2,500. The bank charges you a $25 penalty. This penalty repeats every quarter if you're not careful. That's $100 a year gone just for keeping your own money. The third vampire, the OTT subscription trap. You have Netflix for $15.49 a month, Hulu for $14.99, Amazon Prime for $139 yearly, HBO Max for $16.99, Peacock for $5.99, Disney Plus for $10.99. You think it's spread out, but reality, you spent $600 plus a year just on streaming services. And honestly, you actively use only Netflix and maybe Prime. The rest, you forgot about after watching 1 or 2 shows. One of my friends checked his subscriptions. He had 7 active streaming subscriptions. He could only name 2 of them. He was wasting $50 a month on apps he hadn't opened in 6 months. And here's the crazy part. You could rotate these services. Watch Netflix for 2 months, cancel it. Get HBO for a month, watch what you want, cancel it. But you don't, because canceling takes effort. The fourth scam, the extended warranty trap. You buy a phone for $800. The salesman pushes a $150 extended warranty for 2 extra years of coverage. But phone brands already give you 1-year warranty. Statistics show that 85% of phones don't have any major issues in 2 years that would require using the warranty. You wasted $150 on insurance you never used. If you buy 2 to 3 gadgets a year and get the warranty each time, you've easily wasted $400 to $600 on hypothetical problems. The impulse shopping high. You get a Target sale notification, 80% off today only. You see a watch, originally $200, now $40. You didn't need a watch, you already have 2 watches. But seeing that $160 discount, you couldn't control yourself. You bought it. This wasn't a discount, this was marketing psychology. That watch's actual price is $60. They showed a fake $200 price, then discounted it to $40. You didn't save anything. You wasted $40 on something you never needed. And this repeats every sale. Black Friday, Prime Day, end of season sale. You think you're saving, but you're buying things you should never have bought. The credit card magic. Credit cards have made spending painless. You swipe and you don't feel any pain. Studies prove that credit card users spend 20 to 30% more unnecessarily than cash users because they don't feel the spending is real. Then at the end of the month, a bill comes for $3,000 and you're shocked. If you can't pay in full, then 18 to 25% annual interest kicks in. If you carried a $2,000 balance for 6 months, you paid an extra $200 to $250 in interest. That money literally went up in smoke, the auto-pay game. You joined a gym, went for 3 months with full dedication. After 6 months, you're not going at all, but the membership still charges $50 every month. You thought about canceling, but procrastinated. In a year, $600 wasted on a gym membership you haven't used for 6 months. Same story with music app premiums, cloud storage upgrades, news app subscriptions. Everything's on auto-renew. Everything is silently taking money. You forgot, but they didn't forget. This is the subscription economy's secret weapon. They make it super easy to sign up, one click. But to cancel, you need to navigate through multiple screens, confirm multiple times. They're betting you'll give up and just keep paying. So how do we stop this invisible wealth leak? Step 1. The 72-hour financial detox. For the next 72 hours, do every transaction in cash. No cards, no Apple Pay, no digital wallets. When you pull out bills and hand them over, you'll feel the pain of spending. Step 2. The subscription massacre. Check every app's subscriptions. If you used it less than 3 times last month, cancel it right now. Step 3. The 50-30-20 budget rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, but save first automatically in a separate account. Step 4. The screenshot therapy. Before impulse purchases, screenshot the item. Wait 48 hours. In 80% of cases, you won't want it anymore. Step 5. The unsubscribe rampage. Every brand email, every text notification, unsubscribe. These flash sales are bait. Step 6. The 1-week meal prep. Take Sunday, prep food for the whole week. When you come home tired and hungry, you'll avoid DoorDash. Folks, these invisible leaks are stealing your financial freedom. You feel like you don't earn enough, but the money's going to the wrong places. You don't need a higher salary. You need smarter spending. I'm not telling you to become a miser. I'm telling you to be conscious. Spend every dollar intentionally. These small leaks, when plugged, give you an extra $800 to $1,200 a month. That's $10,000 a year. That's your emergency fund. That's your vacation. That's your financial security. If this video opened your eyes, tell me in the comments what was the biggest invisible leak in your life. Share this with that friend who's always broke but orders Uber Eats every weekend. Subscribe for real financial wisdom. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, small leaks sink big ships. Plug the leaks in your financial ship before it's too late. Spend smart, save smarter.